Welcome to Charter Colony. We are here at 1300 Westwood Village. We're headed on up to Unit 303. Living in this community, you get so much, all included with your HOA. 2 pools, an amphitheater which plays live music sometimes, a park, you get a lot. Let's go on in and check it out. I absolutely love the convenience of this unit. The elevator takes you to the 3rd floor, which is heated and cooled, steps away from your front door. Let's check it out. This almost 1,500 square foot unit feels so much bigger. You get an open floor plan, 2 full baths attached to the 2 bedrooms. This unit is only 5 years old and has had 1 owner, and during the build, they opted for the expanded closet package, so there is so much storage to work with. Come check it out.